Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the day 2 outlook. I apologize for not having the video done a couple hours ago. I got caught up in something, just got distracted and forgot to do the video for day 2, but here it is. Better late than never, I suppose. But anyway, we have 2 slight risk areas tomorrow. One slight risk encompassing parts of southwestern Texas, and another slight risk area tomorrow encompassing southeastern Kentucky, eastern Tennessee, far northeastern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, western North Carolina, and far southwestern Virginia. Cities in tomorrow's slight include Charlotte, North Carolina, Laredo, Texas, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Knoxville, Tennessee, and Brownsville, Texas. And we have 2 marginals tomorrow. One marginal covering parts of west central and southeastern Texas, and another marginal tomorrow encompasses most of Florida, most of Georgia, most of Alabama, most of Mississippi, far northeastern Louisiana, eastern Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, far south central Illinois, much of Kentucky, central and western Tennessee, much of South Carolina, central North Carolina, southern West Virginia, much of Virginia, Washington, D.C., and central Maryland. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Nashville, Tennessee. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses south central Texas. Sorry, let me get a sip of water real quick. Alright, sorry, my throat got a little dry. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Laredo, Texas, Brownsville, Texas, Harlingen, Texas, Mission, Texas, and Far, Texas. So, going to tomorrow's wind threat, there are 2 areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One covering far south central Texas. Another 15% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses southeastern Kentucky, far southwestern Virginia, eastern Tennessee, western North Carolina, northwestern South Carolina, and northeastern Georgia. Cities in tomorrow's 15% wind risk areas tomorrow include Charlotte, North Carolina, Laredo, Texas, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Knoxville, Tennessee, and Brownsville, Texas. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One encompassing west central and southeastern Texas, and another encompassing far southeastern Missouri, far eastern Arkansas, far northeastern Louisiana, central and northern Mississippi, most of Alabama, most of Kentucky, most of Tennessee, most of Florida, most of Georgia, much of South Carolina, central North Carolina, southern West Virginia, much of Virginia, Washington, D.C., and central Maryland. Cities in tomorrow's 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Nashville, Tennessee. Going to tomorrow's hail threat, there are 2 areas where we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter larger tomorrow. One encompassing far west central and southwestern Texas. Another 15% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses southeastern Kentucky, extreme southwestern Virginia, eastern Tennessee, southwestern North Carolina, far northwestern South Carolina, and the very far extreme northeastern tip of Georgia. Cities in tomorrow's 15% hail risk areas tomorrow include Laredo, Texas, Knoxville, Tennessee, Brownsville, Texas, Asheville, North Carolina. Why did you have to update on me? The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Laredo, Texas, Knoxville, Tennessee, Brownsville, Texas, Asheville, North Carolina, and Gastonia, North Carolina. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, one encompassing west central and southeastern Texas, and another 5% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses most of Florida, much of Georgia, much of South Carolina, much of Alabama, much of Mississippi, far northeastern Louisiana, eastern Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, far south central Illinois, most of Tennessee, most of Kentucky, central North Carolina, southern West Virginia, and southwestern Virginia. Cities in the 5% hail risk areas tomorrow include Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, and Atlanta, Georgia. So, in summary, scattered damaging winds and severe hail are possible over the southern Appalachians on Thursday afternoon to early evening. A swath of large hail and severe wind is possible along the Rio Grande Valley from mid-afternoon to evening. So, that's the Day 2 outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, even in the marginal, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.